Last night we stayed in our hotel up in Nikko, Japan, and so one of the traditions in Japan of the new year is to go visit a shrine. So we're going to do that today. We're also going to see the historic 5-story pagoda. To make sure it's still car related, we're also going to do a mountain pass by Lake Chuzenji. That was the Nishu Toshugu Shrine. So now we're gonna go to the waterfall, which is the tallest waterfall in Japan. I have the GoPro set up right here. And I got it tethered to the trunk because I don't trust it. I don't trust these mounts. All right, so I'll catch you up with you guys when we get there. So I hope you guys enjoyed that drive up here. So there'll be another drive on the way back. Without further ado, I'll give you the Kengan Notaki Falls. So that's gonna do it. If you enjoyed the videos like this, leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and I'll try to do some more things like this. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and consider subscribing for some more action in Japan. All right, bye.